Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Harmanjit Singh of class 9th A, is here to share my view on Labor Day or Helping Hands. A holiday for hard work. Yes, grown-ups, you deserve it. But thank you kindly for letting kids observe it. Our school year's just beginning. All summer we have slept late. The only job we worked at was playing 3 months straight. So, to make it fair for you, we will work on Labor Day. Our job to let you sleep in and then make sure you play. Thank you.
सुप्रभात मैम, मेरा नाम सानवी है। मैं कक्षा 5 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मजदूर दिवस पर मैं आप सभी को एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। कई लोग पूछते हैं कि मजदूर कौन है। मजदूर हैं वो लोग जो काम करते हैं दिन रात मौन। देश की तरक्की में है उनका अहम योगदान। उनके द्वारा किए गए कार्य देश को बनाते हैं महान। इसलिए हमें करना चाहिए श्रमिकों का सम्मान, क्योंकि उनका उपवास होगा पूरे देश का अपमान। देश की तरक्की को वो अपने खून पसीने से हैं सींचते, अपनी मेहनत से प्रगति के पहिए को आगे हैं खींचते। मेरी तरफ से आप सबको मजदूर दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
No human a masterpiece has been created without a great labor. Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Kritika Devi of class 9B, is here to recite a poem on the Labour's Day. People work, people play, that's why we celebrate the Labour's Day. Plumbers, bakers, painters, and engineers, teachers, nurses, and author writing the thrilling books, carpenter and deputies, people who take the bees. No matter that what you are, there's one thing that is true, that every worker needs to rest. I hope your Labour's Day is the best. Thank you and have a marvelous Thursday ahead.
Good morning, I just Makur from class 7D. Today I am here for a thank you message on a laborers and our workers. The success of each entire and the organization is the because of the people who work hard together. These people deserve our hearts warming graduated. Let's make their day special and they celebrate the wonderful time with these meaningful full messages. To all the workers who give the best effort to success in company, you are all awesome. Enjoy this time and whatever will you make you happy now. Without the help of the staff and the workers, nothing will be done easily. They are an important factor in the fulfilling the vision and the mission of the company. At last, the worker is the creator and the great asset to the every nation. Happy Workers' Day. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Morning, teachers, respected principal ma'am, and my dear friends. Today I am going to recite a poem on the occasion of Labor Day. A holiday for hard work, yes, grown up to deserve it. But thanks you very kindly for letting it observe it. Our school year's just beginning. All summer we have slept light. The only job we worked at was playing 3 months straight. So to make to fair for you, we will work on Labor Day. Our job to let you sleep in and then you make sure you play. Thank you.
सुप्रभात, मैं सोनाक्षी कक्षा 10वीं स की छात्रा आज आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका विषय है मेहनत करता है मजदूर। मेहनत कर रहा है मजदूर, दिन भर करता है मजदूरी, फिर भी करता जाता काम, मेहनत से ना पीछे हटता, फिर भी काम से ना ये डरता। 2 वक्त की रोटी के लिए मेहनत से वो करता काम, मजदूरी को वो माने पूजा, गुलामी ना वो किसी की करता। स्वाभिमान से यह है जीता, देश को यह आगे बढ़ाता, सबको उन्नति के रास्ते लाता। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to all of you. My name is Tadanjit Kaur of class 3rd C. I will speak I will speak poem on Labor Day. Today is Labor Day. Today is May Day. It's a holiday. No work, no play pay. Still, Labor Day is a memorable day. We however stopped other to exploit us. Only 8 we have decided to work now each day. 8 hours of work, 8 hours of rest. Let's unite to improve the condition of laborers and make this world a beautiful one. Without labor, nothing prosperity. Happy Labor Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, friends. We have accumulated here to celebrate the International Labour Day today in the Special Assembly. It is a special occasion when the people of the world celebrate the true essence of working class. In more than 80 countries of the world, that also includes India, we celebrate it as a holiday. Labor Day is known by many names such as Kamgar Din or Antarashtriya Shramik Divas in Hindi. Labor Day is commanded worldwide to applaud laborers for their difficult work, and usually we celebrate this day to recognize the commitment, dedication and cooperation of laborers. Happy Labour Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, respected principal, ma'am, teachers and my dear all friends. Today I, just speaker of class 9C, I am going to speak a poem on Labour's Day. People work, people play, that's why I have Labour's Day. Plumber, barber, painters, wet, fishermen with grand nets, firefighters, engineers, barbers, sweeping with their shares, teacher, waiters, nurses, cookers, authors writing, tailing books. People who take care of bees, no matter what it is you do. There is one this that's always true, every worker need to rest. I hope you will Labour stay the best. Thank you, have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone, my name is Manvi Chaudhary, class 3rd A, Labor Day. Happy Labor Day to all neighbors. Labor Day celebrated respect laborers. It is held in 1st May every year. Laborers do hard work throughout the year. In India, Labor Day celebrated for the first time in 1923. Thank you for workers. Have a good day.
मेरा नाम मनप्रीत कौर है। मैं कक्षा 4th की छात्र हूँ। मैं मजदूर कुछ ऐसी जिंदगी जीना चाह रहा हूँ। अपने बच्चों को पढ़ा लिखा कर ऊंचे पद पर पहुँचाना चाह रहा हूँ। मैं किसान कुछ ऐसी जिंदगी जीना चाह रहा हूँ। परिवार के साथ जीना चाह रहा हूँ। मैं मजदूर कुछ ऐसी जिंदगी जीना चाह रहा हूँ। मेहनत के बदले 2 वक्त की रोटी खाना चाह रहा हूँ। मैं किसान कुछ ऐसी जिंदगी जीना चाह रहा हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Sparsh Thakur of class 5C of APS Mehan Sahib. Today is 1st May. That is World Labour Day. There are many working classes in the society which helps us to best possible means. There are teachers, doctors, factory workers, vendors and many others. Their presence in make our life easy and gives us comfort. So big thank you to all of them. They also deserves to be served best. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ashmita Dogra. I am from class 5th E,
roll number 1. Today I am saying poem on Labor Day. People work, people play. That's why we have Labor Day. Plumbers, bakers, painters, vets, fishermen with gland nets, firefighters, engineers, barbers spinning with their shears, teachers, waiters, nurses, cookers, authors writing thrilling books, carpenters and deputies, people who take care of our bees. No matter that is you do. There's one thing that always true. Every worker needs to rest. I hope your Labor Day is the best. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. My name is Ashmita Dogra. I am from class 5th E, roll number 1. Happy Labor Day to all of you. Today I am saying thank you to all the workers. Thank you gardeners to take care of our gardens. Thank you policemen to take care of our city to crime. Thank you doctors to take care of our health through medicines. Let's thank you schoolmates to clean our school daily and provide us clean environment. In last, I would like to say thanks to every worker and every labor. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Hardeep Kaur. I read in class 4th C. Today I will speak a speech on Labor Day. Labor Day is celebrated on 1st May every year across the world. Labor Day is also celebrated as International Workers' Day in most countries. In India, Labor Day was first celebrated in 1st May 1923 with red flag, and hence Labor Day was also celebrated as May Day and Worker Day. This is a holiday to celebrate this daring working men and women. Happy Labor Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Harleen Kaur of class 5th A. On the occasion of Labor Day celebration, I am present a speech that warm wishes on Labor Day to all. May your hard work always bring you the sweet fruit you deserve and take you ahead in life. Labor Day always reminds me of all the labor you have put in shaping our lives. There is no way I can thank you for all your hard work and time that you have invested in us. Stop child labor. Send kids to school. Choice is your help stop child labor. So we can all salute their efforts. Thank you and happy Labor Day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Manpreet Kaur, class 3rd A. Today I will speak poem on Labor Day. Today is Labor Day. Today is May Day. It's a holiday. No work, no pay. Still Labor Day is a memorable day. I have stopped others to exploit us. Only 8 hours we have decided to work on each day. 8 hours for rest, 8 hours for work, 8 hours for rest, and 8 hours for entertainment. It's all human right. Let's unite to improve the condition of labor and make this world a beautiful one. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. I, Akhil Jain of class 4th V is going to speak on our school member, Mr. Mohanlalji. Mohanlalji is a sweeper in our school. He cleans our school and marks it good so that you can sit in clean and tidy area. We are very thankful to him. He also helped us in need. Happy Labor Day to all, and I request you to respect them. Thank you and have a nice day.
उनकी गैर मौजूदगी से मंजिल हमेशा दूर है, जो आपके ख्वाबों को पूरा करे वह मजदूर है। सुप्रभात, आज मैं कोरिना शर्मा कक्षा 9वीं ब की छात्रा आप सबके समक्ष मजदूर दिवस पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है मजदूर कौन। कई लोग पूछते हैं मजदूर कौन। मजदूर वे लोग हैं जो करते हैं काम दिन रात मौन। देश की तरक्की में उनका है अहम योगदान। उनके द्वारा किए गए कार्य बनाते हैं देश को महान। इसलिए तो हमें करना चाहिए मजदूरों का सम्मान, क्योंकि उनका अपमान होगा पूरे देश का अपमान। देश की तरक्की को वह अपने खून पसीने से सींचते, अपनी मेहनत से प्रगति के पहिए को आगे हैं खींचते। मेहनत वो भी करते हैं क्योंकि उनका भी है घर परिवार, दे सके खुशियां जिनसे वे करते हैं प्यार। तो आओ इस मजदूर दिवस पर मिलकर ले फैसला, श्रमिकों की मदद कर बढ़ाए उनका हौसला, ताकि अपने काम के प्रति पैदा हो उनमें निष्ठा और अपनी मेहनत तथा लगन द्वारा प्राप्त हो उन्हें प्रतिष्ठा। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी, अगर इस जहां में मजदूरों का नामो निशान ना होता, अगर इस जहां में मजदूरों का नामो निशान ना होता, तो ना होता हवा महल और ना ताजमहल होता, तो ना होता हवा महल और ना ताजमहल होता। धन्यवाद।
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम प्रेरणा कुमारी है। मैं कक्षा 5वीं ई की छात्री हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका नाम है मजदूर। पत्थर तोड़ रहा मजदूर, पत्थर तोड़ रहा मजदूर, थक के मेहनत से है चूर, फिर भी करता जाता काम। श्रम की महिमा है मशहूर, मेहनत से ना पीछे रहते, कभी काम से ना ये डरते। पर्वत काट बना रहे हैं नव निर्मल श्रमिक है करते, नदियों पर ये बाधा बांधते, रेल पटरियां यही बनाते। श्रम की शक्ति है मजदूर। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन मंगलमय हो।
Good morning everyone. Today I, Rahul Chaudhary of class 7th A, is going to present a poem in front of you all. My poem's title is It's Labor Day. It's a holiday for hard work, hard work. Yes, we grown up you deserve it badly, but thank you very kindly for letting kids observe it. Our school is just beginning. All summer we sleep late. The only job we worked at was playing 3 months straight. So to make it fair for all of you, we will work on Labor Day. Our job to let you sleep and then make sure you play. Thank you. Have a nice day and happy Labor Day.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Rakhili of class 30. Today I will say some lines of grieved members of our school. I am very proud of them that they clean our school very well during COVID-19. Also by taking risk, I will thank to all of them. Thank you and have a nice day.
Successful comes to those who try. It comes to those who are not afraid to fail. A very good morning to all. Today I am Sukhpreet Kaur is here with a speech on the topic Labour's Day. Thank you to all the wonderful staff. I think about who is the most working person. I knew my mind always drift back to you, regardless of the settings. You are enduring working hours. You are always putting your best foot towards ensure the best environment for the students. There is nobody like you. While working at a school is one of the most essential jobs, it is also often overlooked. Working at school can every time be a thankless job. However, those that teachers or drives a school bus do it because they want to help the younger generation keep and success and keep them safe. Thank you and have a nice day.
A very pleasant good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, Ismail Titkur of class 8B is going to deliver a poem on the topic Labour's Day. A holiday for hard work. Yes, grown-ups, you deserve it. But thank you very kindly for letting kids observe it. Our school years just beginning. All summers we slept late. The only thing we worked at was playing 3 months straight. So to make it fair for you, we'll work on Labour's Day. Our job to let you sleep in and then make sure that you play. Thank you and have a cheerful day.
Good morning to all. Today's Maxine Chaudhary of class 7D, roll number 8 is before you all with a poem on Labour Day. Working hard is what we do. We work all day until we are through. We work so hard we need a day to sleep and relax, to eat and play. Let's hang out with family and friends. We will smile and laugh until the night ends. Then we are back to work. Labour Day is done. We had a celebration. We had a fun. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, for the teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am Sarandeep Kaur of class 5th C, stand in front of you to send a message on Labour Day. Man is so made that he can only find dexterity from one kind of labor by taking up another. Work is no disgrace, the disgrace is idleness. Labours work hard for you, celebrate a labor for them.
Happy Labour's Day to all of you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my all dear friends. My name is Vivando Swami. I read in second class, section B. Today, I will give thank you message on Labour's Day. Labour Day is celebrated on 1st May every year. This day is also known as International Workers' Day. It is celebrated to recognize the achievement of labor. On this day, we thank all laborers for their hard work and service to nation. Happy Labour's Day. Thank you.